Hello and welcome to this first thoughts video for VideoExpress AI, which is another Paul Ponna product that promises to make videos from text. So I've already made two videos. I made a vertical and a landscape. Let's just have a look at the landscape. So that was the first video that I've made in a landscape format using this software. So let's now look at prices. So I'm here on the sales page for VideoExpress AI, and I'm going to go down to purchasing. And you've got two purchasing options. You can take a 7-day free trial and make two payments of $97, which would be $194 in total, or you can pay $179 in total. Both come with a 30-day money back guarantee. Both work on the web, and there's no difference between them other than the payment model. So this is quite expensive at $179. So we're back in VideoExpress AI, and I'm going to open that landscape project. So we can see here we've got a title and we've got some music and we've got some AI animation. So I'm going to cover the music first. If I go up here to audio, we've got some ambient sounds, and these are things like birds and crickets and rivers and rain and stuff. Let's just go back. We've got some sound effects, which I haven't used. We've got music, and this is where I got that music from. I think I used hi-fi. So we could use, I don't know, story links, and all you do is you drag it down to the timeline. So once things are on the timeline, be it audio or visuals, you can adjust their start and end point. You can adjust their duration. We've got a few video things. So if I click in business, we can see we've got some stock here. We've got something called stock, which is video and images, but the difference with stock is you can search rather than it being broken down by folders. We've got the same for images, etc. So we get some included media, and I quite like these. These are text animations. And don't worry, I will be getting to the AI part in a moment. So we've got lower thirds, intros and outros. So let's add an outro. So these really come from VideoBuilder or VideoRobot, some of Paul Ponna's earlier products, and they're fine. They work really well. So I select it, click next. I need to complete some stuff, fill in some boxes, and then I get a preview, and all I need to do is just drag it down to the timeline. So I can put an outro here on our AI timeline. I'm going to now delete this. I don't really want that. So if I go to AI video, which is the reason everyone is here, we've got create from prompt, image to video, inpainting and special effects. I'm going to look at create from prompt because that by far is the thing people are most interested in. Our image types are human, 2D, 3D, photorealistic and other. I'm going to have woman holding flowers. Now what I like is we can extend the prompt, and that really bulks things out. So that's much better than I could do. So I'm going to go to photorealistic. It also puts in the negative prompts as well. Now I can pick the style. I'm going to go for cinematic, and I'm going to click generate image preview. So it gives me a preview image, and I can always regenerate that if I want, or I can make that initial image into a video. So I'm not sure that was photorealistic, but maybe I picked the wrong thing in my haste. We can reuse the same character, so possibly we can keep a consistent character. I'm not sure if that's between clips or within the same clip. So I'm going to click create video. Notice we can also save the image as well. So I'm going to save that image. Now what will happen is we'll get an alert, and our video is going to be in our media library under my media, my AI images. So it hasn't made yet, and that's okay. We're not expecting it immediately, but it will. My AI image will be here. For some reason, I've got it twice. I think when you make a video, it saves it as well. So let's bring this down to the timeline. So this is my AI image. Now I can't do any adjusting. I can't crop in or I can't reposition it. It is a very basic timeline video editor. Here is my video. So I'm going to drag it down to the timeline, and you'll notice it's a couple of seconds really. So if I put this here, we can adequately tell that's on 42. Yeah, it's about 2 seconds. So let's have a look at this. So that wasn't anything amazing because that was 3D, but look at these ones. These ones are much more interesting where they're human. This one here wasn't human. So I'm just going to make one more just because I know everyone's come to see this. So we're going to go for photorealistic. I'm going to extend the prompt. I'm going to keep it as photorealistic, generate the image preview, keep it as photorealistic. So here we can pick motion speed. I'm going to leave it on its default of medium, and I'm going to create the video. Now, rather than make you wait around, we will come back when that video has generated. So we are back and the video has generated. You'll notice here that it's only 1.83 megabytes. So it's really quite a small video file, but anyway, we're going to drop it down. Let's have a look at this. So even though that's only a couple of seconds, I'm really happy with that. I think that's great that I can do that for £179 one-time fee. To me, that's amazing. And I can go and I can put a lower third on it as well, which is really good. So I might want to do, let's have a look at this. Yep, excellent. Let's drop that down. That's a lot big. That's a lot longer than my actual video file, but let's have a look. There we go. Woman holding flowers. So the last thing I would need to do is I would need to export the video, and all I have to do is click export video. I give it a file name, pick the quality, pick the size and pick the format and click create, and then that would end up in a place called my videos. So the other thing we can do is we can make vertical videos. I don't think this works so well because I have made a vertical video project myself. Let's have a look at this, and unfortunately you just get the video in the middle. You can't reposition it, you can't crop in, you can't make it fill the frame, you just get the video in the middle. So that is my first impressions video of VideoExpress AI, and I hope to be bringing you more videos about this soon. Do leave a comment if you have a question.